Welcome to our video on the best pepper sprays for self-defense. When it comes to personal safety, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. Pepper spray is a highly effective self-defense tool that can provide you with added security and peace of mind in potentially dangerous situations. In this video, we'll be reviewing some of the top pepper sprays on the market and providing you with all the information you need to make an informed purchase. Our expert team has extensively researched and tested each of the pepper sprays on our list, so you can rest assured that you're getting the best of the best. We'll be providing you with a detailed breakdown of each product, as well as highlighting any pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the top pepper sprays for self-defense. With our help, you'll be able to choose the perfect product to help keep you safe in any situation. Number 1. Sabre Tactical Pepper Gel. The Sabre Red Pepper Gel Spray costs twice as much as Sabre's cheaper sprays, but it's still one of the most popular pepper sprays on the market. Part of its success comes down to a recent innovation in self-defense sprays, gel. Gel-based sprays are a liquid-based option that's heavier than traditional aerosol sprays. This gives gels a huge advantage because they're less likely to drift back into your eyes as you spray at an attacker. This reduction in blowback makes gels safer to use. Gels are also easier to aim because the spray comes out in a stream you can point at an attacker's face. Sabre Red Pepper Gel has one of the longest ranges on the market at 18 feet. The long range means you can protect yourself long before an assailant gets close. This self-defense weapon has a high OC concentration of 10%, which is the highest you can get in many states. Pros: gel spray, safer than aerosol. Affordable, 18-foot spray range. Cons: no practice canister. Possible dripping issues. Number 2. Sabre Runner Pepper Gel. The Sabre Red Pepper Gel Spray for runners, around $13, combines the accuracy of gel-based sprays with a small package that's easy to take on your daily run. It comes with a convenient palm strap that keeps it at the ready so that you can respond quickly to threats. With 35 bursts per canister, the Sabre Red Pepper Gel Spray for runners has the most bursts available on the market. While the number of bursts doesn't make it much better than other products, it's nice to have more flexibility. You can afford a couple of practice sprays before making it your running buddy. Many people prefer gel because it has less blowback, and it's more accurate, and we think these attributes are ideal for runners. The gel also has a range of 12 feet to help you keep your distance if an aggressive animal comes your way. Pros: 12-foot spray range, palm strap for faster deploy, lots of bursts. Cons: potentially awkward to hold on long runs. Number 3. Sabre 3-in-1 Pepper Spray. The Sabre 3-in-1 Pepper Spray, around $15 including practice spray, is a traditional aerosol spray. This multi-purpose defense spray includes not only a conventional capsaicin-based pepper spray but also CS tear gas that causes extra irritation and an invisible UV dye to mark attackers. Despite its small size, this canister holds up to 25 bursts and has a decent 10-foot range to keep you farther from approaching attackers. We like the small size because you can throw it on a keychain for easy access using the quick-release clip. Because this pepper spray costs around $10, it's easy on the wallet and easy to replace when the expiration date rolls around. Sabre suggests replacing the unit every 3 years for maximum effectiveness, even though it has a rated shelf life of 4 years. Pros: lots of short bursts, super affordable, quick release keychain. Cons: higher chance of blowback than gel sprays. Number 4. Mace Brand Triple Action Pepper Spray. Mace is synonymous with pepper spray for many people, but it's actually the name of one of the oldest pepper spray manufacturers. While the company doesn't have nearly the same popularity as Sabre, it makes some small but effective pepper sprays of note like the Mace Brand Triple Action. This is the smallest pepper spray on our list in both physical size and volume of spray. It has a flip-top design that keeps it secure in pockets and backpacks. We also like that it has a small keychain so you can put it on your car keys. The small size comes with fewer bursts than our other top picks, but it's not unexpected. Like the 3-in-1 from Sabre, this triple-action defensive spray also includes UV dyes for tagging attackers and tear gas to add more discomfort so you can escape. One reservation we have is that it uses CN tear gas, which is more toxic than CS gas. You don't want to breathe the blowback from this stuff if you can help it. Number 5. Fox Labs Mean Green Pepper Spray. Fox Labs is another well-known brand in the pepper spray world. The Fox Labs Mean Green Defensive Spray gets its name from the bright green dye it sprays on attackers. Unlike other brands that use UV dyes, the green coloring doesn't require a blacklight to show up on clothing and skin. It takes a lot of effort to wash the green color off, which gives the police a leg up in making a positive ID. Mean Green's flip-top safety is a basic, high-quality option for a non-lethal weapon. It's great for pockets and purses because there's no exposed trigger. It's a little more intuitive than the sliding safety on Sabre's products. Still, you shouldn't have problems using either brand in an emergency. As a gel-based spray, Mean Green's easy to aim and has an effective range of up to 15 feet. While Fox Labs doesn't spray as far as the Sabre Red Pepper Gel, it's still quite capable of helping you maintain a safe distance to stay out of reach and cut down on blowback.